Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new Class 66 Rocks Stobart review. So in today's review we are continuing to look at the Stobart Jockey Championship range of trucks which are produced by Oxford Diecast. So without further ado, let's have a look at which truck we've got today then. So today we have a Scania R series, and we'll get onto that in just a second. Now as you can see, we have a very famous jockey today on the trailer. It's Frankie Dettori. So we'll start with the outer packaging first and then work our way to the truck itself. So on the surround of the packaging, on the side and across the top and down this other side here, you can see that we have some of the jockeys obviously wearing the Stobart Jockey colours. On the bottom of the packaging we have the Great British Racing logo, the Professional Jockeys Association logo, the Stobart Jockeys Championship logo and the Stobart Group wording. We've also got the Stobart leaf design just in the corner there. Taking a look at the top of the box, we have the Stobart Group wording and again the leaf design and the Stobart Group.com website. Now obviously this is an old website because I think it's now Kalina who've got Stobart's, so I don't really know what their website is anymore. So turning the packaging round to the back, so on the back we have a better image of the jockeys obviously wearing the Stobart branded jockey outfits, and we have the Stobart Group wording and the leaf design just there. And there's also some information about Stobart Group sponsoring the Jockey Championship, so I will just roll this slowly past the camcorder screen just so you can read it. Okay, so also on the bottom of the packaging we have the trucks which are available in the series. Now I can't remember which review number I'm actually on now, but I will pop it in the video title anyway. Now I haven't got all of these trucks at the moment, so I will be getting more of these. I think I'm about halfway through the collection now, so I think I've got another maybe 6 or 7, something like that to get, so I will review each of those individually. So taking a look at the bottom of the box, we have the Oxford Diecast logo just there along with the company address and the website. We've also got the warning obviously about small parts, not suitable for children under a certain age. And on the bottom we have the code, which is 76SHL09WF, Stobart Frankie Dettori. So let's take this truck out of the packaging and have a look at it. Okay, so first off, it is presented in a very nice display case. Not too light, not too heavy, it's sort of in between. Now these models are going on a shelf in the loft, so that's what I'll be doing with this model once I've reviewed it. So we'll just take the plastic lid off, like so, and we will also remove this piece of plastic packaging. So this is the truck itself, so we'll start with the front and work our way round the side of the cab to the trailer, round the back of the trailer and round the other side. So before I just do that, obviously these display stands, they aren't like the Atlas Editions models which feature obviously the description and the wording along the base either. So starting with the front of the cab, so I'll just zoom in if the camcorder will let me. We have the Stobart wording on top of the foil just there. Moving down we have the name of the truck just under the Scania logo, which is, I think it's Chloe Brooke. I'm just going to zoom in, see if the camcorder will pick that up. Yes it is. So the name of the truck is Chloe Brooke. We've got the Stobart energy livery on these particular trucks, or the biomass livery, whichever you wish to call it. So moving down, we have the Scania, I think it's an R440 or an R470. I'll see if I think it might be an R480, but without zooming in and blurring the focus, I can't rightly see through the camcorder screen. We've got the headlights and the indicators on the left and right hand sides. And moving down to the red and white striped bumper, we have the number plate just in the middle, which is PX64TXB. So I'll just zoom out there. And on the bumper as well, we've also got some spot lamps or fog lamps, whichever you wish to call them. Now on the left and right hand sides, we also have the blind spot mirrors and the driver's mirrors. Moving the truck round to the side now. So we have the Stobart Energy leaf design printed very neatly on the side of the passenger door. We also have the Stobart Group wording on the top above the passenger window just there. Moving down, we have the name of the truck, obviously it's Chloe Brooke, and the fleet number H8377. It's a 6-wheel tracked unit. So moving across to the trailer now. So these are the walking floor trailers, or biomass trailers as some call them. So on the front of the trailer we've got some ladders, obviously where the driver can climb up and obviously deal with this tarpaulin sheet. I think there's actually a winding handle somewhere on these in real life. Moving along the trailer, we've got the Stobart Energy lift design. We've got the jockey name, Frankie Dettori, in green with the hashtag underneath, Jockey Champs. And we've also got an image on the back of the horse and the jockey. Just under the Frankie Dettori wording, we've got the Great British Racing logo, the Professional Jockeys Association logo, and the Stobart Jockey Championship logo. It's a tri-axle trailer, and we've also got some trailer legs just underneath. Moving the model round to the rear now. So on the back we have the Stobart Renewable Energy livery along with the leaf design. We've got another image of the jockey just on the back left door there. And the trailer number for this particular trailer is WF106. So moving down to just below the red and white striped bar there, again we've got the number plate PX64TXB and the indicators, brake lights and reversing lights on the left and right hand sides. Moving the model round to the other side now. Now one thing that we've got on this side that we didn't have on the other side are these trailer straps, which are printed very neatly in a grey silver colour. Again, we've got an image of the jockey and the horse on the reverse of the trailer. We've got the jockey name, Frankie Dettori, and the Stobart Renewable Energy leaf design just on the front there. Again, we've got the Great British Racing logo, the Professional Jockeys Association logo, and the Stobart Jockeys Championship logo on the bottom. Moving across to the cab. Again, we have the Stobart Renewable Energy leaf design printed very neatly on the side of the driver's door. And again, we have the name Chloe Brooke and the fleet registration H83, a bit bad focus there, sorry, H8377 printed on the bottom of the driver's door. So that is it basically. The Oxford Diecast Scania R Series in the Stobart Jockey Championship livery.